다대양 좀 전에 좀 된데 아니 다 추이 호로 통마고 왜네 개발지 단디 년도에 유대베 당한수 교수 청구를 차다베 아니 줄라한 디지 나놀이야 아니 가서에 나랑 그마 가서에 수수기 다 담배 최단 제베 토안에 아니 계지 니마 가시리야 다 계지샤 고급을 충분히 가버총 쉬어당 마시디 디 줄라한 디 공바디 디나노리아 당 아랑기 다 나자알레네 다 마시당 나자알레 내가 망치 가상 가서다 자알레네 뒤주 망치 야르데 이미네야 내가 미세다 대바다 심지에 된다 니 체도 삼바르지 미세 니레도 삼바르지게 다다바도 시라 좋음도 제상 가장 우마 질이야 경험감을 보군진 고만티즈에게 에네 군진 고만티즈 구세 가지 쇼도 다주 고난주 공장 가지 쇼도 디줄이야 가지니 토르 개비시 샤시 대지게 좀 마다 윤주산에 다 까마 보군진 나는 공을 시슈디 군진 당보래 다 드네마시라자 공로 가시에 빼는 미규도 진짜지 빼는 텐션 디좀바보 미규도 진짜지 미는 공로 시비시게 스마도 쇼야 말에 이내야 디나로래야지 텐주역에 차와 라버시 망보제요 아래 텐주 망보 투좀제요 아래 다 디주다 연주스나 땅아랑 미지데 파지다 다 로디 체체를 줘도 뒤주 망보시 신사샤 인비 이내양 다 미세게 직대마던 저에 된디 첸도 삼바를 지게 체함이었지 근데 데데지 미지 좋아를 알지다 가수에다지 지샘 방법으로지 이교로지 다들려지 용도도 다 강다량 나랑 자알레네 당연 디시에잖아 엔디시
Here in this temple, which has been founded by Khenchen Tongpa Rinpoche, in the place where our teacher, the complete and perfect Buddha, first turned the wheel of Dharma, I feel very fortunate that in this place I have the opportunity to make a Dharma connection with all of you. I'm very happy to have this opportunity. Actually, when we think about in this temple, since the time I came to India, I have done many things here. It's been a long time since I came to India, but during this time since I have come, I don't really feel like there is much that I can point out and say, this is something that I have done, some work that I have done for the benefit of beings and the teachings. When I think about all of the previous Karmapas, and I think about how long they lived, to what age did they live to, I've made a list of this. And when you look at it, the one who lived the longest was the first Karmapa, Dusum Khyentse. And some of them, like for example, the 8th Karmapa, Mikyo Dorje, the one who wrote all of the great treatises, he only lived until the age of 48. And though he only lived until that age, he did so many amazing things for the benefit of beings and teachings. He wrote these incredible treatises, all of these treatises. And so then when I look at my own life and I see that I'm getting older and older, and I see all of the time that has passed, and I think to myself, well, what have I really done that brings benefit to the teachings and to beings? And I don't see so much that I have done. It's as if my life is just passing away, passing by in front of me. And when I think about this, then it can be rather discouraging or rather depressing.
다 간다야. 야갈이야 레체 팀뷰지 레아르지 카시에르지 제야레. 다디주지 시에나베지 시린 초버르지 가르르지 시에나 시야 유에버르지 다 개민도데 네미데 카시에르 제야레. 다디데 만체디 당분 고주스르디 레아르지 만체 고주스르디 아주 데 졸라간 디나로레야 에너지 고 쪽토바르지 도 총예베 인두산에 다 가르르 the really 가르 start point somewhere the go to the point of the go to say sanere of the energy 가르에 졸라간 지차데 인두산 나랑게 원에 비냐 미세게 아 공부디다 졸라간 들이야 지 미세게 지 소화용 대하르지다 안다 대야 조 아니 잡지 청구로 치에기 가르에 때마다 저에 되냐 공부 첨부 시에네 대선들이 땀나 이메레 디기 다들 인도스탄 디제게 투제를 되는 총이베레 드네 인도스탄에 디균전 되는 게 안데 드리게지디 신다 고모즈 권리양에 디초스지 상로리들이 주고 삼아를 전송
But since I came to India, there are a few small things that I've done. Perhaps it's really not anything to really talk about. There's not much that you can really say much about. But for these few small things that I have done, they've all started here in this monastery, in this temple. It's like this place has been the starting point for everything that I have done. And so for that reason, when I come to this temple, it's like I have a particular feeling that arises when I come here. And in particular, this is a place that was founded by Kenshin Trangpa Rinpoche with his really great, vast intentions and vast vision for what to do. And he founded it out of his great resolve. And so in any case, I felt like before I began the actual teachings today that I thought it would be important to say this.
다들이야 디나나 다디 마지로 자로 슈비미나 다 최구리 쇼라다 대체상의 지대치 친주 이방도 이민기 고다체는 담배 취체 여버 롬바나 장라 샤자를 되나 라 취체와라 체답 때문에 다들이야 라마시 미그바 인 대한 로데 링규 소원 인생매번 대베 깜깜바 통통바레 매베 라말라 수나다 라말라 마데베 로게냐 민우나 딜레 셴라 라마주나 모사냐베 대바름디기 수행됩사마도 이체 마게바 로난 유튜브에 로만 딜레 치다바 취셰바 왕고레 퐁
And so to continue with our text, it reads, "They joke around and practice dharma on the side. They calculate weights and measures or sit as judges discerning what is from what is not. Then when such people look fondly at themselves, imagining that they are practicing dharma, Is there a Lama who can teach the methods for practicing the Dharma, or excuse me, is a Lama who can teach the methods for practicing the Dharma really unnecessary? They cast aside what they should rely on. Lacking any sincere longing from supplicating day and night, they get vexed with their Lama. Although they get the idea that they should not depend on the Lama, they would be embarrassed to go to some other Lama in front of other people. They merely supplicate for help, but have not developed confidence. They are not the kind of person whose mind can be transformed. It is a shame to give instructions, explain Dharma, or bestow empowerments to these students.
다 디나 된다 저디 다 같이 가상지 랑도르 치아데 게시물에 가상 쉬는 시대 다이네 미창매지 다지 가수에 랑도르 치아데 소수기 다 가수에 미게기 지 섬주 섬어베 다와 계당 삼동단으로 디케셔를 체제 소수기 삼수기 안다 드만디 상마상사 응외니즈 돌려 다시 매체 소수기 섬주 디체 안디네 상원 디네 녜노체 타주 세대를 지당 다는 신기 단 민디네 상보 코 야보르 코 두자레 체제 람상 가중 아주베 타주를 체시가래 제자한테 진짜게 가셔야 뭐 니즈리아 다 가셔다 뭐 니즈그 돈 데바라 줘매베 지 소수기 들어가서 가셔야 미게게베 다난 통조르디 개체를 체제 근데지가 돈에 안 줘대비미나 안 버지지 미디즈텔이야지 당화 랑도르기 내되베 라마 지금 매나 리딩을 지다 간다 프랑스 숨주를 디제 드리브체 연주산에 아니 가수에다 랑도르기 내되베 라마지 예비네야 안데지 그 가수 라메 가수에다 당화 되버텔야 녀야 깔아 가브르 차대야 드리임다
And so really the main point that is being talked about here is that as we mentioned yesterday, the doing what should be done and giving up what should not be done is very important. But everyone, when they think about what should be done and what should not be done, they have their own personal opinions, their own personal ways of seeing it, their individual beliefs about what is right. And so they have their own individual idea of what is okay to do and what is not okay to do. And this is maybe not necessarily something that really fits with the actual way that things truly are. But then they decide for themselves, based on their own individual views, okay, this is good, this is something I should do. They decide that. And then when they look at other people, they say, oh, he's good, she's bad, or whatever, and they immediately judge things. Whether or not this way that they're seeing things fits with the nature of things or is true in the nature of things, they make their own individual way of looking at things the most important. And so when there's that sort of person, when they're, when in society there's someone like that, they think to themselves that maybe it's okay not to have a lama who can teach them what they should do or what they should not do. And so even if there is a lama who can teach them what to do and what not to do, it's difficult to actually teach people like that the instructions.
첸디 미고 데만되네 생긴 다만요도 고마된기도 또고기 삼발라 투준도 미데카레 랑기 커세바다 사와 마홈발라 되네 독팅팅 제베 쳬바텔라 곰데바 테 로마웨 那么你基语音。
They do not want to let this life out of their sight and are afraid others will rival them. They are afraid they won't stick out. They are continually bothered by thoughts of food and clothing. When they see their clothes wearing out and food dwindling, they feel deep despair. When a practitioner is habituated to that, the Lama is more worthy of compassion than the students.
大家俩，变得起从中的这些example， 但 example 的前面，但嘛是啊，天俩，那么，example 这些呢？
So there is an example for this.
大家俩，那么远，没事啊，到老七岁的这我那么远差不多眼咋用的？那大把的用过吧，但差不多用过的。这样你们这里啊。 어디 공에 티데 예베데 카두르시 대주산에 녜데 잘라드주디 가주다 가르쳐다 잘라드 두서를 접시 대대요 딘지 질이야 잘라드 두서 잘라드 낭드네지 배샤 白下的小家嘛不记得，白下还是多少？白下的不是企业运营不大，怕的呢，印尼给没把的之前呢，之前呢印尼运营不大，之前呢澳大利亚运营不大，卡里呢开始差不多。澳大街上澳大的，伊呢俺10%带要嘛，但因为呢印尼帮开始多啊什么的，印尼帮开始多是来源。 Tidu sange lamsan ji samlo ji kos nge lamsan ko di ti di yab tidu sane di nge ti de yang dalu jangwen bu chi gi zegu tendeng gi che du lama jangbe gi tep chu chu de ba lama jangbe di ti de du je san de la ba ji gi ju de la ba yab de ju ngui de la ba yab de ju kyoran kar go asla kyoran de kar go asla 콜람상 왜 하르슬레지 공부를 가시 치시 이렇게 근데 제가 삼로를 당겨 이렇게 니가 고 사. 니가 고 니가 욕말했네. 니가 욕말. 다 대대하지 봐. 다 제만 예 콜게 셰비. 디디상 예 결혼도 고스디 3년 가르쳐 줬을래. 전주 때던 우리들 전정사. The first thought is best thought. 그봐? 다음번 때도 우리들 전정사. 우리들 나라도 배나 배배기 우리들 추도도 우리제 제자로. 그저 때 제도를 제제. 책들이 되나면 그것을 막 주미당했어. 다 근데 센터는 맞서디 우리 근데잖아. 다 빼서도 무거워서 봐. That is not appropriate. 디디는 룽기 말했어. 무주디도 고어디네 빼서도 무거워서는 룽기 말했어. 근데 빼서도 고라면 이제 무주디 우리 고여도사 네가 고스라이.
There is a guy. He's a rather older guy. And he sometimes comes to see me. Not all the time, just sometimes he comes to see me. And I was packing some things. We were packing various things. And while you know...
One day.
So while packing.
One day.
So one day while we were packing, you know, there was some stuff. And among the stuff there was an envelope, a red envelope, one of those red envelopes with money. And I hadn't really looked inside to see what was in there, but there was some money, and it was probably foreign currency. I think it was maybe English pounds or Australian dollars, something like that. I wasn't really sure. I hadn't looked, but maybe we can just say there were English pounds in there. And so I saw that he saw it, and we saw it, and then that year, this year, we had been preparing the commemoration of the Jamgon Rinpoches, and we had published a new edition of the Calling the Guru from Afar. So I took a copy of the Calling of the Guru from Afar in my right hand, and the red envelope and the money in my left hand, and I said to him, "Which do you need?" And he just startled. And then he sort of stepped back a few paces, and when he stepped back a few paces, he thought for a second, and then he said, "Both." And I said, "You can't have both of them. You can only take one." And he couldn't decide. So later when you're talking about it, it's like, when you first ask him, the first thought that came to his mind was money. Like the first thought, best thought. So the first thought that came to his mind was money, and then when he was about to say money in Tibetan, the word is ngul, so you have to kind of squeeze your lips together. So he got ready to squeeze his lips, and it was like it got stuck in his throat, because, you can't actually say, "Oh, I need the money." You can't, that's not appropriate to say that, but that's really what he wanted to say. But he couldn't say it, so instead he said, "Both."
Just that small example of between the just this or she. Nearly Loma Koran do goody. Lame ma dea deda Loma Koran dea tini be Tagda Madena. Lame do you ma judge then Koran do goody and that bread. Uncle Cashway Dada de Yomer. Chesa. Di Junzen Dene G Lomegi Kaswe Tundu Nesher of the Karim Batang Dana Singi Lame Mana of Dini Tundu Lomegi Tundu Neseta Lame Mananga Tini Tsumbo Chumimina and the Shini Kaswe Lama di Loma del Devinea or Kaswe Daji Pendo Yungurella. And Loma Dinea, the except Shigre. Tenjema Imbachi, Loma Telia, Mugubachi, Lametaka, Zachimur, Imina, Zachimur, Imina, Temana Shabimina, Dati, G. Kashudati, Tolan Royarvich, Pendomem Chandra, Chandra, then induce the Guzendene or Tenjeg Dachi, Lomegi Kashuata, Tundu Yeser of Dedan. And Lame Gima, Chicago, Tangana, Robotigi, Lame Mananga, Dini, Tsumbo, Juquati, Kashim Simta.
So this is just a small example of what it's like. And so when there's something that the student wants, and when the student is looking for something, it has to be the same as what the Lama has to give. If these two aren't the same, then it won't work. The Lama won't really be able to give anything to the student. And so there's what there's what the student is looking for, and there's what the Lama has to have to give. And only when these two actually match, only at that point is it beneficial for the Lama to actually give that to the student. And only then can the student really accept what the Lama has to give. And so if it's otherwise than that, and there's something that the student doesn't really need or want, even if it's the most precious of instructions, if the Lama gives it to the student, then it's just a waste, and it's not going to bring any benefit at all. And so for that reason, it's very important that what the student is seeking and what the Lama, the instructions that the Lama have to give are the same.
Tena, sikchi tunji ni bale, tunji te kanayong. Sikchi zamgi belo nye she yang shen la chi mi jibi gyunzen tedari. Nye si rusane mi gyu tu korangi kengi yue de ina shen la chi mi jibi gyunzen tedari. Gui gyu gi je nyo be tabre mi jeba, chen di ba, kadi, chingwa serbo tobe, chebe su de ba, jigdien ba, shuma la, ming chubdo tu da ba, tenze jigi, go sum gi jeba, ji nyong nyo chebe ngane, che cheba lomba di, chusab che. Nangkwa la gyue jungbu chawa diyan dili shen du yueba mi shen yenbar tang rang sangbur zhubne nga je da chakdo chi mi tong tang mi zi karchi dawe minu guno re che kyang chebe ming toban dini ya cha rang so so re na dwe jing kwe se da mi zi ri chung sara lo je di dini ge jor marbu chung ser che shir kawa chebe zhuba che goya na Lama Chedo da Henjik Dunyin mi dubi uyone Sha Jilan mitartar mizuksu mangbo che Gejor ma tse sa chenyer me la che Sangye nyenbe sekdang
If that is so, of the two instructions, instructions in words and instructions in meaning, where will the instructions in meaning come from? I know how to read the texts to give merely verbal instructions, but that is the reason for not explaining instructions for others. And so here, this means Mikyo Dorje himself. This is the reason why though he knows the key instructions, he does not give them to others. Though they do not practice any of the methods to follow the kajus, such glib people of this life have the image of a Dharma practitioner carrying a yellow mala, or else they are given the name siddhas amongst worldly peoples. People of that type act outrageously with their body, speech, or mind, imagining themselves to be practicing Dharma, but they are severely deluded. They are no different from demonic spirits who fly through the sky. They give the bad to others, get the good for themselves, and then become prideful and jealous. They always think about where they can go to be seen and respected, yet they are still called practitioners. This is depressing. They remain as they were before and stay for years on end, someplace where they can get some clothes, food, and esteem, saying, something truly spiritual occurred. If they have to undergo hardships to do Dharma practice, in their hearts they do not want to stay with their Lama and Dharma friends, deceiving themselves. They are never free for even a single day. They will not sit still. Their main spiritual practice is large meals and frivolity. Please look, Sanjay Nyampa.
Dama dwe shan kasaro pachi, dandi sama ge gyu kengen da. Dadi dine che samo mana na lama la kang. Na na nyen dene gomba tasho. Juba la juna, tuba pore sha la manjo na, juba le gawang che. Rangi chuen de la da gen me jung, nyonto do ma gewe. Naro churu debu, tsar tu song kachan jenji. Lame gyöne je. Rangi nyongwa kaya ma geba la gyön do medawar. Lama la gyön do tongwa chungburu che ne, kabun de. Dona Lama Chedo, Jukchu Jungseri, Namgula, Shiba Tome, Langling do Sonia, Rangdungi Geza, Chucheva da Chena, Sendri, Jube Gebache. Rangera la Gusha Manglugi Tregi, Mingchu, Gyoza Pore la Puk de Serian, Sadorsu, Muguba, Nachigame.
If the Lama does not give profound Dharma, they resent him. If he gives it, they forget about meditating night and day. If one day they miss a single meal when put to meditation, they get up from their practice straight away. They haven't put enough into their Dharma practice. since they have not brought it to the point of experience. When they finish, say, the 6 yogas of Naropa, for example, they give account and complain about the Lama's faults. Though they do not consider not developing any experience to be a fault, they are clever at seeing the Lama as having faults and then brag. In brief, when the way their Lama and Dharma friends speaks changes slightly, their emotions fluctuate up and down. Then, if the virtuous roots of their own benefit are dammed like a river, their chance to accomplish Dharma in this life is cut. All our plans for the many things we need interfere with our own main practice. We say we would be happy with plain rice porridge, but when it comes to salt, seasoning, and so forth, there is nothing we do not need.
Samara yung gurta kanda yang so di karjwe karjwe da jidangi sosugi ene be chue nyamle jadi karjwe da lame gi ma karjwe da ji lamde sama guide kasuma advice sama be tendela jibora ralu ba mai ba ta kanda ju sosu ngwe ne en ta kanda delia di sosu gi one chue nyamle che sanan ta do ta do do ta misi sangbo ji de misi nibu ye be misi tyen ye be cha di sosu gi chawa ji da sosu lengen ji sa be to ne any social ngene in be full interest somewhere with that lenche kan the social ngene towa yongsu zobaji de to bor che che de ji ga ne any twenye che kwa de ke sim bor ma da be energy ga shui social ngene tang de de yi che towa cha sang ji me be bi na and de ga shui and ji la me ngene da de ba ji da de blessing re che che chi le na che any karjweda ji lamsan lamen when special with stake mangboji me de so she ni du san ti gyun zen tene so swing when the full understanding somewhere so swing when the gyun zen go sever ji dang da na sing gi ene towa somewhere the interesting full interesting the ji langwa de ge shim stare sha de chongbo yimina and shine 가서다 지 최 냠레사 대당 최 냠소 레베 가사티니 배 타대도 최다 가사니 타대도 뭐 규제제 안에다 최다 가사니다 로직세란도 간다 최 냠레차 미지 상보차데 소수기 다 가지고 차시를 지다 소수의 른신을 비질이야 유튜브를 지 용거래서 정리
So there's a lot said here. A lot is said here, and you might agree with it. Some of it you might agree with. Some of it maybe you don't agree with it. Sometimes you think, maybe you think, it's possible this is so, it's possible this is not so. It is quite possible that you might think of it in this way. But the main thing here is that when we are doing, when we do our own individual Dharma practice, it doesn't only depend upon the guidance or the advice of from the Lama. It's also our own individuals. It depends upon ourselves and what we, for our own part, are doing to really practice the Dharma, or you could say to make it so that we have a good life, a life with meaning, a life that has a point or an essence. And so, in this way, it's our own individual responsibility. It's our own individual. Choice or responsibility to do this. And so we have to take full interest in this. We have to be fully interested. We have to have the complete motivation, completely motivated to do this. And so, if we have that, then really seek the Dharma, that is what is important for our practice. And so, if otherwise we don't have, on our own individual parts, we don't really have that interest, we don't have that confidence, or we don't have that motivation, then it's not like the Lama can then just bless us so that we do Dharma practice. If it were like that, it would be something that would be sort of manufactured by the Lama. Instead, we have to have this complete interest, this dedication to it. We have to understand the reasons for the Dharma, and we have to have that dedication and that full interest in the Dharma. It is very important that we have this. And when we have that, then only at that point is it that our Dharma practice and the individual who is practicing the Dharma are no longer separate from each other. That is when the Dharma and the individual who's practicing become the same in flavor. That is the point when our Dharma practice and this life become part of each other and they share the same nature. In the words of the Kajus, let whatever happen, happen, let things go as they go, may whatever come. If you are someone who can practice this, you will see the tracks of the Kajus when you look over your shoulders.
탄딜레 구규망 외스레 된삼 유스레 제자 예람산다산 지가주에 나라는 냠레 매상 아니딜이야 드시 야버지 겹동면도
There are many different ways that you can understand this, many different ways that this could be explained. But since I'm someone who does not have any practice, I really can't give an explanation of it.
Understanding some of it, the data Kashwada, Koto every Chiago, the case of Starisha. Pena Nizu, Pena the Sosu, Mizina Lolia, Pena Sosu, Lagar of Chilia, and Gochimbi Minia, Tadi Sosu Namgu, Sosu Nimeri Mizina Lolia, similar Junse, other times Midavare, Guru and Samarabaji, Tindiji, understanding the Baji, Tindegi Kodo Yaviche, Tindegi Traji Yamina, and Namshi, that Sosu Mizina Lolia, Jua Kalakansam, Jua Savarabaji, Lubudun Jua Shumba Yamina, Tigabso, Manager Sosu Chimbuji, Tsutubarabaji, Death Arabaji, and a Tezam Shigi, Lopamba the Yiche, Yi Chemagabaji. Did younger something you the need you sane that did you send then and also could do in Binia that mindfulness somewhere with the Pioch is there where Chida, Church is there where Chida, Dana Singi Kaswe. That understandable which the Church there where the case of Rajibta.
For those of us who practice the Dharma, it's important that at all times, we have that our minds are ready, that we have an understanding, that we have some comprehension. Because in this life, it's like there are many things that can change. For example, in this life, we might change jobs. And so if we have thought about this beforehand, if we have some sort of an understanding and we're ready for it, then we can think to ourselves, oh, everything is impermanent, everything changes. And so at that point, we can then gain some sort of a new understanding. And so we have to, so we need this understanding and this preparation in our lives. And if we have that understanding, then when there does come a change in this life, like if there's a sudden change in our lives, then we'll be able to find ourselves at that point. Otherwise, it'd be like we'd be discouraged or upset about this. And so what is important is for us to always have mindfulness and carefulness, and to have this preparation and understanding in our minds.
이나 가서 두교만 해지 가르에 근데 다 우리 니즈 토리아 우리 니즈기다 understanding 산다도 되게다 우리 니즈기 고도 대 가주시라 저 가르에 우리 니즈기 다가르래 고도지 매비 인두산에 디균선 때네 아니 가르다 아주 가디미네 지 셈디 다 가르래 근데 배수로 제비 느레 채널 중면으로 다 가르래 베르 치와로 삼바이미네 치와로 지미네 오늘 제비나 시야디 다 내추럴 서로 파트 소마르다 지고 정신이 균도를 제다 띵원에 전다 될 미세다 가지고 동해 채과르지 미세다 동해 채가 처음에르지 딱 한다 립제디 예비는 아주 밀이야 지외 동해 퇴버를 용돼야디 버지지 전은 아주 미디 단 되바체 잡았으는 장도 다는 신기 가수에다지 뭐 니수 토리아 남주 삼복에 마다지 소수기 엔 되바차 잡아 디 왕도 당샤비 인주산에 다 이미네 소수 되바 치점 차 이미네야 뭐 니수라 요던 도마로 대동 모두 인주산에 뭐 니수기 단 균도디 레용의 삼리야 엔 소수 저지메브체 셈을 저지메브체 엔 뭐 니수디 accept somewhere 동네 체모도체 and 되게 지 동해 넘버를 지원돼야 지당 아니 쿨 넘버를 지원돼야 지 자리가 내 뉴스안에 디균선되네 당아주 남규 네 딱하다 데스 가로다 우리 뉴스 돌이야 섭십치야 지 미다바당 다는 신기 다 댄진 중 라소바 디스 돌이야 섭십치야당 우리 뉴스야 가서래 awareness 서머베다 지금 우리 뉴스 도한다 awareness 가는 라다 인지 벽에
Awareness in it.
다 제제제 다 리버를 지금 산다 땅에 괜찮습니다 broken language 차로 쳐도 벽에 대해 제가 인지대 제가 이렇게 다들 내리지 과대 계시면입니다.
But we usually don't really have an understanding of the true way that things are. We don't have this understanding or this comprehension in our minds. And so for that reason, when we come to things, like if we take as an example, if we take death as an example, death is actually just a change that naturally happens. There's really actually no particular need to have any special extra suffering over death. But for people, then there's, because people don't accept that, they have this extra suffering that comes at the time of death. Maybe this is because we have our desires are too great. We have too strong desires. And so our desires don't really fit with the way things actually are. And so when our desires are conflicting with the way things actually are, we can't really change the nature of things. And so when the nature of things actually comes to pass, we're not prepared for it. We can't accept it. And it's like this, the way things are actually becomes additional pressure on us, and we feel like there's an additional burden that is put upon us. And so for that reason, it's important for us to continually think about the way things truly are. We need to think about impermanence. We need to think about how everything is interdependent. We need to think this through carefully and come to some sort of a new awareness of what the nature of things is like. It's important for us to come to this understanding.
제상 아주 최바디 가르쳐서나 소소기 extra worries 말하면 디레야 미세가 레와도 토바 퇴바지 제마고 하시지人心기다 가르쳐야다 nature change 말하면人心기 윤도 가르쳐 주고 예비냐 대단 냠도 디제스 장토비지다 대단 냠도 조토 버리지 가르 용부 이내야 대단 냠도 소소기 로이비냐 로데 구양을 가는 데도 냠도 로도 그러지 충분히 미나 아니 마대와 가요 말에 동해 가요 말에 배차샤비 미나 두주인도 된 루두스탄에 베나 다 스프링 서머 여군 된지도 도스 교원 루두스탄에 그러나 여군 된지도 그러나 디 쿠루 거라디 여군 된지 두주인 교와던 뚜이니 권준도 로데스탄 데나 마대스케요만 관소 단도 대변 지도를 차디도와 야군 된지스 원 교환라디 kuran kasur natural ki beauty in the chart yore mado telemise ta kasur gunga chane phaji kuyu de dorun do ra ruji yaga chane ya mise ke yama ta kona natural beauty in the chart yore chesan ngaso thana sin 간다를 가수에 텐데베다 신앙기 겐 간지 충분히내라 다나신 주와 간지 충분히내야 대단 냠도 로도 버시다 대단 베 가수에 봐 간지라고 그러다 되게 쇼래 소수이네야 로데보다 구양 안 로도 버리 충분히미나 아니 신의지 동해매 버리지다 로 파페 버리지 어제 용도 가서 정리
So a Dharma practitioner it's not someone who needs to make some sort of extra worries or extra hopes or extra anything extra for themselves. It's just going along with the changes that they have, being able to follow and go with whatever it is that occurs. So whatever happens, you go with the flow of events. And so if you are able to do this, then in your own mind you can be more relaxed. You can be more expansive and be more relaxed. And so at that point you're more comfortable, more happy, and there's no particular difficulty with being able to just go along with what happens. And so when there's some sort of a change, something that happens, then there's no need to worry about that. We just go along with whatever change it is that happens. And then sometimes actually it's even like that change is even better. It's like there's the change of the seasons. The seasons naturally change from spring to summer to autumn to winter. And when they change, then actually it's even better because they're changed. It's part of the natural beauty of things. It's not as if when it's winter, then things are somehow worse, and when it's summer, then they're somehow better. It's just part of the natural, the beauty of things. And so we should be like that. And so when because of external or internal circumstances there comes sort of a change, we need to be able to go along with that sort of change. And then, in addition to going along with that, we can be comfortable and we can be more relaxed and spacious in our minds. And if we are able to do that, then at that point we will be able to be happy and be able to have more of a comfortable or content life.
Penang ngarang bizi nanori niya, jidang nang lo chu ju rushe. Da yinbi niya nizu ru mangbushita, kashuwa da experience wane, nyamnyong ru mangbushita chungbre. Che zang an di ju nang dus chen ju zane. Da mangbushi de kashuwa sam, che zang mizi saya de ngarang kante chowar kare chungsana. 미지 사야 제베 상호 망고시 당하네 최시 망고지 지네 다베 상호 망고시 다 최시 망고시 지제 제베 미지 녀가 사고든지 제거하스 개미 미지 사야 심볼 레라고 제샤 다 소소기 가르쳐야 약슈디 간다 가르쳐 프레젠트 서머가 지고 데베 니줄레 다 시라샤 지 가르쳐 삼삼 삼을 데비니즈레 삼땅고레 마음베니즈 삼땅고레데 이내야 든제게 배지 데비니즈당 마음베니즈리아 가르웨 가르웨 리제도 첨부든지 전에 초스게야만 전에 펜바메 버리지 다 조조지 다 대기 가르웨다 다데다 끼지 만디스디 안지 곰잡딩에 소스도 다 간다야 다대기 가르치 소수기 가르다 미기 둘이에버디 들려야 지 퇴니 되버지다 안다는 상보를 충분히미나 마음보이냐 상보 쉬고 용거래 다대 내가 들려야 상보 뭐좀 이 안다는 딜리 용거를 쭉 못해 보이미나 마음발에 깔아 갑시다 되는 뉴스안에 디 유전 때네 and 간다 다대 내급디 꼭 개심이 있는데 버지다 디지기 돈 딱 간다 미스야디 and 녀가 사고지데 사마 망고 셔지 망고지 제거하스면 버지 심플 미스 심플 차트야 러르지 나랑 도스바 삼단 주서 나랑 페브르스도 가르잖아 다 제시디네 머디네 람네 조미도 근데 뉴스안 다 데레 봐 정말 봐 고geb제 르르제제 아니 사바지 가서 르르시 대대나 대대스 양계를 드릴 샤디도 제전에 향소래디 삼삼 드릴 고이기를 섬트기
Like in my life, for example, in my life, though of course I'm still young, but I've had, I've been in many situations and had some experiences, and in my feeling about this is that in this life, if we think too much, if we plan too much, and we're always thinking and planning, then we're just making our life more difficult and more complicated.
Yeah, or thinking plan test 맞아지 thinking plan 경계체 좋습니다. Taste.
Okay, so there's not a whole lot of, there's no real flavor, there's no taste to the thinking and planning. There's no point to doing it.
No.
Oh.
But it's okay. Fine.
Okay. Excuse me. So it's better for us to keep our life simple. And so the best thing is to be in the present. Of course, we occasionally have to think about what happened in the past. We do need to think about the future situations, but it's better if we don't have too high hopes for the past or the future situations. If we were to do so, there's no point in doing that. There's no benefit in doing that. It's better just to stay in the present, though if we say just the present moment, then it sounds like we're talking about meditation. What we really mean is it's just whatever is right in front of our eyes. We need to be able to see the good in it. And if we can see the good in it, then good things will be able to occur from that. Otherwise, if we're not able to really see the good in what's right before us, then if we can't begin seeing the good in the situations we have right now, then in the future we're going to experience great difficulties for us. And so it's important that we need to think about this. Start with this right now. There are many sometimes, in this human life, there are many difficulties and many problems, and sometimes it feels like there's it's hard to do the simple, to be simple about it. But I really feel that it helps to try to just have a simple outlook on life. And the reason is, like, sometimes, when I do have these difficulties, I feel like it's good to just close the door, relax a little bit, let my mind be a little bit more, a little bit looser and relaxed. And then I feel like that's helpful. And I think that this is something that is probably helpful, will be helpful for you as well.